Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY. We're going to be making an elegant Christmas centerpiece. And so what you're going to need some of this gold bling wrap. This is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, I have an array of florals here, white and red poinsettias, and then some greenery that I've just clipped apart. I also have a styrofoam floral piece here, and you can really use white or green or whatever Dollar Tree has in stock. You can use that. I also have some ornaments in gold. Now I'm going to be using a few colors on this, but you can make your centerpiece whatever color you like. And then you're going to need some sort of a vase. You can pick up a vase like this at Dollar Tree or Goodwill or some other place for about $1, $1.50, something like that. Now I'm going to be using some hot glue to assemble my project. If you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful centerpiece. And if I decide to use any additional items, I will have those listed in the description box below for you as well. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this elegant Christmas centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make. Now you can certainly use whatever colors you'd like to use, whatever your color scheme is going to be for the holiday season this year. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Merry Christmas!